guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Layefa and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I maintain my curly hair. The hair I'm going to be using today, I've worn it for months now. It was actually black before, but I dyed it. So this hair is going to look really messy to you because I let it get really messy. Like I haven't done anything to it in a while, so I can show you that even if it looks really messy, you can revive the curls. So I've had this hair for months now. I think I've had it for how many months? Like 7-8 months. I've had it for about 7-8 months now. I have a video on my channel that shows how I got this exact color of this wig. I already did this color on another wig and I really liked it, so I decided to do it on this one to switch things up because it was initially black, but now it's this gorgeous color. I'm going to start by putting the wig on, of course. To be honest, I actually love my hair like this. Like the way it's looking right now is actually how I prefer my hair to look. Big and a little frizzy. Not so frizzy, but a little frizzy. Like this. Like I would actually use a big comb and brush it so it gets even bigger. I'm just using my hands to brush through it. I don't use a comb if I'm trying to get the curls to be defined, but if I want that frizzy look I'm talking about, I would actually use a very big comb to brush through the hair. This hair has actually served me really well. So to define the curls, I'm going to use this. I'm not really sure what's in it, but I got it from My Hair Haven on Instagram. I'm going to leave a handle on the screen. But what I normally do is I use a leave-in conditioner and water. You can see it's already becoming a bit defined, so I'll just do this throughout the hair.
Where do I go from here?
So yeah guys, that's it. That's pretty much how I define my curls and maintain my curly hair. That's why I love curly hair. Like if you follow me, you know that I wear a lot of curly wigs because they are very easy to maintain. I don't have to, like, this thing takes me like 2 to 5 minutes. I just spray the leave-in conditioner and water on the hair, use my fingers and comb through it. That's it. That is it. Like sometimes I don't, in fact most times I don't have time to sit down, curl my hair. Guys, curling of hair takes like 30 minutes to 1 hour. Like if you really want your curls to be really nice and pop, you know. But curly hair, quick, easy, you're out the door. I hope you guys are able to learn a thing or two on how to define your curls and maintain your curly hair. Like I said earlier, this hair is from Julia Hair. I've had it for months. I'm going to leave all the details of the hair in my description box down below, and I'm going to leave a link to the videos. I think I've had this hair in 2 videos this year. I'm going to leave the links in my description box down below so you guys can go and watch and see how the hair looks like when it was black, in case you don't like this color. And I'm also going to leave a link to the video on how I dyed this hair color. So if you guys are interested in seeing that too, you can go and watch that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to drop a comment for me in the comment section down below, and I will definitely reply to your comments. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.